Expedia Car Rental Honest Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Expedia is known for booking flights and hotels, but car rentals are where most people get it wrong. They assume prices are always higher than booking directly. The surprising truth is that Expedia often bundles discounts that make rentals more affordable than going solo. Rental costs vary based on location, car type, and duration. Compact cars typically start at per day, while subs or premium cars range from daily. You won't believe the value at booking through Expedia often includes free cancellation, customer service, and occasional loyalty points for future travel. Insurance and add-ons are key factors. Most people get this wrong by ignoring that the listed daily rate rarely includes full coverage. Expedia offers optional collision damage waivers, additional driver coverage, and GES add-ons, which can add per day. Comparing these costs with local providers ensures you get the best deal. In conclusion, Expedia car rental pricing is competitive and flexible. By factoring in location, car type, insurance, and loyalty perks, you go from zero to pro in choosing the best rental for your trip, ensuring you pay for exactly what you need without surprises.